Don't go anywhere. Keep on watching this video from the beginning till the end because I'm going to be showing you what you can use to achieve very luscious lips if that is what you're looking for. Hello very lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you're regular on my channel, you know that I share a lot of DIY natural remedies, home remedies, and today's remedy is taking care of your lips to give you that soft pout that you've always been looking for with these 4 major ingredients. This is one of my most requested. Like, people always ask me like, okay, how do I get pink lips? How do I get soft lips? For whatever reason, it depends on you. It's totally fine. But the thing is, there are so many factors that can affect you not having pink lips. Hormonal stuff, pregnancy. It's not just for smoking. I know many people always attack people that have black lips that, oh, you've been smoking. But guys, please, it's not just for those that smoke. Even when you use like bad, expired cosmetic products, it can totally affect you. So there are so many reasons why people might need to change the look of their lips, not to have dry ashy lips, and this is exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So just keep on watching. I'm going to be showing you those 4 ingredients that you need to achieve the pretty pout you were looking for. So just join me. Guys, so the first thing you're going to be using is sweet almond oil. Almond oil helps to heal and make your lips very soft. It can also help you to clear dark patches on your lips. We're going to be using natural organic honey as well. Honey helps to moisturize and lighten your dark lips. Another ingredient we're going to be using is vitamin A capsules. I don't have the capsules, I have it just as the oil form like so, but if you can grab vitamin E capsules, it's very good. Anyone you can totally get your hands on is fine. So this is the other ingredient you're going to be using. It's perfect for hair, for your skin. It's good for damage control. It helps against anti-aging and removing wrinkles from your body, from your skin, anywhere you apply it on. And vitamin E also helps to nourish your lips as well. Last but not the least, we are going to be using some lavender oil. This is totally optional. If you don't want to use any essential oil, it's optional for you. This is just to add some fragrance and some extra nourishment to the lip oil we are going to be making. So I have half a teaspoon here. I'm going to be using 2 half teaspoons, which makes 1 teaspoon of my almond oil. So let's just say I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon. You can mix more. This is just for the test. I'll be adding 1 of this as well, which is half teaspoon. Vitamin E oil is very thick, so you just need a little bit at a time. Guys, we are going to be using half a teaspoon of honey as well. And last but not the least, some few drops of my lavender essential oil. So I'm just going to mix all this together. And next, I'll be transferring it into this lip container. You can transfer it into any container of your choice just for easy storage. And this is it, guys. We have our lip oil right now, which you would need to apply on your lips as frequently as you can. So guys, I have my lip oil or my lip cushion right now, and this is it. I'll just take a bit of this and apply it on my lips. So if you're looking at how to make your lips pretty, pink, soft, this is what you need to use. Apart from many other remedies I've shown you, this is quite easy to make. Just whip everything together and apply it on your lips. I would advise you to do this at least 2 times a day, in the morning and in the evening. I would even advise you, if possible, you can like skip your lip gloss or your lipstick and wear this as much as you can. Just keep it like in that kind of container that I showed you, and each time you feel your lips are dry, bring it out and apply it on your lips, especially before you go to bed. It's going to rejuvenate your lips, it is going to hydrate your lips, it's going to make your lips devoid of chapping, dryness, all those ashiness. And if you are looking for how to even get pink lips, it's going to help to like restore the pinkness to your lips. So that pretty pout you've been looking for, it's in this combination. If you keep on using this, like, you have to be consistent, and I can assure you that if you keep on using this, you'll see changes. I have seen changes myself. My lips used to be way darker. I don't have like very pink lips, but it used to be way darker, but by the time I started all this like lip regimens, I started seeing results. So kindly be consistent with this. Take it one day at a time. Just make it a lifestyle. Use it continuously. Like I said, you can skip your lip glosses, you can skip your lipstick, and use it to achieve your desired result. If you enjoyed this video, please don't keep this video to yourself. Kindly pass it around, kindly share, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly use this opportunity to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, which I'll bring your way. I'll see you soon, and stay beautiful because you're beautiful. Bye.